Jhpiego has been working for nearly 10 years with countries to develop malaria in pregnancy policies and guidelines, performance standards that are carried out right down to the frontline clinics to improve the work of our health staff at the antenatal clinics so that they can provide quality services to pregnant women and ensure that they do not get malaria. We've also extended our work out into the community and been involving community volunteers to encourage women to come for antenatal care early so they can get all of these benefits. And we've even been doing some pilot work to try to train community volunteers under the supervision of staff at the nearest health center to provide some of these malaria and pregnancy services in time. In 2009, the World Malaria Day, which is celebrated on the 25th of April, has the theme of counting out malaria. And this is important because the partnership that is working against malaria hopefully will be able to eliminate the disease. This may take 20 or 30 years, but there's work underway. But in order to know you've eliminated the disease, you have to be able to count. As the theme says, you have to count the number of people reached. How many, in our case, pregnant women are actually sleeping under these bed nets? How many are getting the preventive treatment at antenatal care? How many who fall sick from malaria are getting the appropriate malaria drugs? As some of our colleagues at Jhpiego say, if you cannot document something, then it didn't happen. So we will not know if we've eliminated malaria, if our efforts have been successful, unless we make it possible right from the frontline facility for records to be kept, to count the number of women who have been served, for other malaria interventions, to count the number of children that have been served, but also to count the number of people who are using these interventions. So this is a big challenge to the whole community, the whole malaria control community, of which Jhpiego is an important player. And we're encouraging everyone else to read more about what Jhpiego is doing about malaria on our website and to get yourselves involved in the fight against malaria. Thank you.